MATRUBHABAN has been created with another object than that is ordinarily common to such institutions, not for the renunciation of the world, but as a center and field of practice to make life perfect with the divine perfection. MATRUBHABAN has rendered yeoman service to spread the message of the Mother and Sri Aurobindo throughout the state. Sri Ucchavananda Samantaraya of Cuttack, with the inspiration of Babaji Maharaj, Sri Ramakrishna Das and Sri Prapatti of Sri Aurobindo Ashram, started MATRUBHABAN in 1970, and on 18th July 1971, its foundation was given by Sri Udar of Sri Aurobindo Ashram, Pondicherry. On 9th December 1972, Sri Aurobindo's sacred relics was installed by Babaji Maharaj, Sri Ramakrishna Das. MATRUBHABAN started an educational wing named Sri Aurobindo Institute of Higher Studies and Research on 18th July 1975. It helps the child develop all facets of his personality and awaken his latent possibilities so that he acquires a strong, supple, healthy, beautiful body, a sensitive, emotionally refined, energetic personality, a wide-ranging, lively intelligence and will, the subtler spiritual qualities that unify and harmonize the being around the child's inmost truth or soul. MATRUBHABAN soon became the spiritual, cultural and educational center of Odisha. There are a large number of activities that are being conducted every year under the auspices of MATRUBHABAN, and a number of ancillary institutes that have been fostered by this parent institution. Every year, MATRUBHABAN organizes different state-level conferences. Sri Aurobindo Study Circle movement has touched every corner of life. Now, there are more than 16,000 Sri Aurobindo Study Circles in Odisha. Sri Aurobindo Study Circle Conference, which is conducted every year from 4th April to 7th April. The purpose of the conference is to raise awareness of key tenets of the eternal essence of spirituality among the study circle members, as well as the people from different sects of society, and are made conscious about the dynamic application of true spirituality in individual life and in the collective society. True spirituality transforms life, and it is beyond boundaries of religion, caste, creed, gender or any other distinctions. Sri Aurobindo Medical Association is a unit that works under the guidance of a group of doctors of different disciplines to increase the health awareness among the students and pupils of Odisha. It conducts Sri Aurobindo Health Squad Camp, where the workers have the first aid training facility to be a help at different parts of Odisha. Army of Light is a unit of students and youths spreading throughout Odisha. The purpose is to develop youth of total integrity to work for national integration and love for Mother India in the light of Sri Aurobindo and the Mother. It holds its annual training camp for 2 weeks during summer at MATRUBHABAN. MATRUBHABAN has a cultural wing, that is Sri Aurobindo Kala Kendra, which conducts classical music, instrumental and Odissi dance classes every Sunday to promote artistic sense among the students. There is an organization of legal practitioners named Sri Aurobindo Legal Unit. They are trying hard to educate and make aware students and public in the matters of law. Sri Aurobindo Engineering and Technical Group. The members of this wing include engineers from different streams. The group also coordinates a state-level annual conference and science exhibition of Sri Aurobindo Vigyan Parishad. Sri Aurobindo Vigyan Parishad has been organizing an annual convention every year since 2005. The convention encourages interaction among students, teachers from every corner of Odisha, specifically covers the most rural areas, inclined towards science and technology, and provide a platform for the young scientists to exhibit different aspects of science, engineering, and technology as they have learned about them. All of you are aware that the world will be celebrating the 150th birth anniversary of Sri Aurobindo on 15th August 2022. The Union Culture Ministry has constituted a high-level committee under the chairmanship of the Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, to celebrate 150th birth anniversary of Sri Aurobindo, along with former PMs, CMs, and spiritual leaders. Secretary of MATRUBHABAN is also part of this 53-member committee. MATRUBHABAN is a window on the next future of mankind. The future of Earth depends on a change of consciousness. The Mother and Sri Aurobindo, through their tapasya, have built this future for humanity. MATRUBHABAN is a floral symbol offered to the vision of the Mother and Sri Aurobindo.